HCIA-Datacom V1.0 H12811_V1.0 exam updated dumps questions are the best material for you to pass and get certified. Share some Huawei H12811_V1.0 exam dumps questions here. 1. Which of the following statements about the election of DR and BDR is correct? Multiple choice. A. In a broadcast network, there must be DR. B. If the priority is the same, compare the router ID. The greater the value, the more preferentially elected as DR. C. There must be a BDR in a broadcast network. D. If an interface priority is 0, then the interface will not participate in the election of DR or BDR. 2. During campus network planning, service VLANs can be divided according to which of the following methods? Multiple choice. A. Divide VLANs by personnel structure. B. Divide VLANs by business type. C. Divide VLANs by logical area. D. Segmentation of VLANs by geographic area. 3. Regarding the control plane of the device, which of the following statements is correct? Multiple choice. A. The control plane provides device monitoring capabilities. B. The controller plane is responsible for generating the IP routing table. C. The control plane is responsible for directing data forwarding. D. The control plane is responsible for the interaction of routing protocols between devices. 4. An Ethernet frame was captured by a packet capture tool, and the value of the type, length field of the frame was found to be hexadecimal 0800. Which of the following descriptions of the frame is correct? Multiple choice. A. The frame carries an IPX message. B. The frame carries an IP packet. C. The frame structure of the frame is Ethernet_2 format. D. The frame structure of the frame is 802.3 format. 5. Which of the following descriptions about PPP is correct? Multiple choice. A. PPP supports bundling multiple physical links into logical links to increase bandwidth. B. PPP supports plaintext and ciphertext authentication. CPPP has poor scalability and cannot be deployed on Ethernet links. D. For the physical layer, PPP supports asynchronous links and synchronous links. EPPP supports multiple network layer protocols such as IPCP, IPXCP. 6. The administrator wants to upgrade the configuration file for the Arkansas 2200 through a USB cable. Which of the following descriptions is correct? Multiple choice. A. Arkansas 2200 does not support using USB to update configuration files. B. Use a mini USB cable to connect the USB port of the PC to the Arkansas 2200. C. After connecting the cable, the administrator needs to install the driver for the mini USB. D. Use a mini USB cable to connect the PC to the mini USB port of the Arkansas 2200. 7. In which of the following situations will the switch generate a configuration BPDU? Multiple choice. A. During the initialization process, as long as the port enables STP, the configuration BPDU will be sent from the designated port according to the time interval specified by the hello time timer. B. When the root port receives a configuration BPDU, the device where the root port is located will send a configuration BPDU from each of its designated ports. C. When a non-designated port receives a configuration BPDU worse than its own, it will immediately send its own BPDU to the downstream device. D. When the designated port receives a configuration BPDU worse than its own, it will immediately send its own BPDU to the downstream device. 8. Which of the following statement about the shortcut keys of the VRP operating platform is correct? Multiple choice. A. Control plus Z to return to the user view. B. Control plus C stops the running of the current command. C. Left cursor key. D. Tab prompts for recently entered commands. 9. What are the correct descriptions of Ethernet subinterfaces? Multiple choice. A. The sub-interface cannot be configured with an IP address. B. A sub-interface can be bound to multiple VLANs. C. The IP addresses of the sub-interfaces cannot belong to the same network segment. D. The sub-interface ID must be the same as the VLAN ID. 10. Which of the following descriptions about IPv6 is correct? Multiple choice. A. The address length of IPv6 is 128 bits. B. The address length of IPv6 is 64 bits. C. When an IPv6 packet has multiple extension headers, the extension headers must appear in order. D. When an IPv6 packet has multiple extension headers, the extension headers can appear randomly.